I will talk about how can you add a credit or debit card on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Temu app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on your down here. When you just click here on your, so when you click here on your here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on, you go above settings, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so then all you have to do, you just click here on your payment methods, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on add credit or debit card, just click on it. So then here add your card or card information. Then you click on add your card, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.